Honorable Kasande umunyeshengerokazi wa district ya Rubirizi nagambwa ko batire kandi akata umutwe gwo murumuna Charite Christine bwanyuma yo kumutahira muri rwababa umugombora ya Canamira ndorwa isto muri Kabare okuri General SP Hakimu Mukama orukwebembero kucondoza hari police ya Kabare police igwire file kucondoza umushango ugo
twafunye complaint okuva ewo mukyalo omu bamwita Charite Christine nti waliwo woman MP owa Rubirizi eyamukubye. Of course, as police, we entered her case and we have already commenced with the investigations. So upon completion, tunawa tumaze okunonyereza nga tufunye obujulizi obukakasa ntino yakubye omuntu. File tujja gitwale wa state attorney bagiperuzinge era wona bagisanctioninze she will be what? She will be arraigned in court.
Nyakwatwa umutwe Charite nagira ngo atirwe bwanyuma yo kuza kureba nyina otwira rwiro maka gaba Kasande.
Kamama mshangari yo mukagari with that excitement to see after a long time. Nawe kunde bashemererwa smiling no bwarukushasha nanyenzi ntandika kumuhaginga aho nho Grace Honorable Bataringa ya the woman MP Rubirizi district azirati Charite toine right yo kureba mama ndahabweji atokanga kwija kumurebo wanje muzeyi was also there in the process yabasa kutunga echantire aha mutwe
ubwo nagira ngo Kasanda shemerire kurebeka ho mu mboga z'amateka akabuzo bwa 45.
I want justice. Politicians abanda bakuba bariyo bari kutwara amateko mu ngaro begera Grace Kasande Bataringa.
Bwanyuma y'amakuraga tugambereho na n'umunyeshengerokazi Kasanda Hanshongezi.
Allegations, then calling me on allegations. Are you police? Just get me where I am. If you want to cover me, I know you cover function, you cover some events, you cover, but not. So now I'm in town, I'm in Kabare town. You saw which allegations. Anyway, you come, if you want me, you tell me, you get me where I am.
Ahitwaza kuhandikira amakuraga umunyeshengero yabataka kwasirwe polisi okushobora enshongezi makuraga gasha kwa Job na amanyumura Kabare.